If your OneNote notebook is showing a sync error and deleted pages are causing the problem, this video will walk you through the exact fix step by step. We're going to check the deleted pages, clear anything you no longer need, and then force OneNote to sync properly again. This is a simple fix that can help when OneNote gets stuck, refuses to sync, or keeps showing old deleted content. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and productivity tips. Let's jump in. First, open the notebook that is showing the sync error. Make sure you are inside the exact notebook that's having the problem, because OneNote only syncs what's currently connected to that notebook. If you have multiple notebooks, take a moment to confirm you're working in the right one. Next, look at the top ribbon menu and click the History tab. This is where OneNote keeps tools related to recent changes, version history, and deleted content. Once the History tab opens, find the Notebook Recycle Bin button. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Notebook Recycle Bin. This will open the area where OneNote stores deleted pages and sections that may still be affecting sync. Now review the deleted pages carefully. Sometimes a sync error is caused by items sitting in the recycle bin that OneNote is still trying to process. If you see pages or sections that you no longer need, you can remove them permanently. To do that, right-click any page or section tab, then choose Delete Permanently. This deletes the item fully instead of just leaving it in the recycle bin. If you want to clear everything at once, there's an even faster option. Click the Notebook Recycle Bin drop-down arrow again, and then select Empty Recycle Bin. This removes all deleted content from that notebook's recycle bin and can help clear out sync issues caused by leftover deleted pages. After that, press Shift and F9 at the same time to force a manual sync. This tells OneNote to immediately try syncing the notebook again instead of waiting for it to happen automatically. In many cases, this final step is what confirms the issue is fixed and gets your notebook back in sync. If the sync completes successfully, you should now be able to continue using OneNote normally without the deleted pages error interrupting your work. If the issue still appears, double-check that the notebook recycle bin is empty and that no other pages are stuck waiting to sync. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.